Hi, welcome to Open Door for Parents, where I share ways to support your child's feelings, friendships, and mental health. I'm Dr. Eileen, and today I want to talk about what you can do when your child gets mad easily. Research tells us that children and adults who get mad easily tend to assume that other people are doing things because they're trying to be mean. Sometimes that happens, but it's pretty rare. Teaching your child to play what I call the maybe game can help change their thinking and lower their anger. Practice first with a made-up kid crime. For example, Jason took your pencil. Now, maybe he did it because he's trying to be mean and wants you to suffer. But what are some other reasons why he might have taken it? See what maybes your child can come up with. Maybe Jason was confused and thought the pencil was his. Maybe he was distracted and didn't even realize he took it. Maybe he was just going to borrow it but forgot to give it back. Maybe the pencil was really his and you're the one who took it from him. Thinking of various maybes makes the trying to be mean explanation seem less likely. Once your child can play the maybe game with made-up situations, try it with some real-life ones.